Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week I posted a video asking the question, is Google Chrome's Glic AI still a thing? Because in Chrome 135, which is the latest preview version, I mentioned that it seems that all development had stopped on the feature. And I'll leave that previous video linked down below and in the end screen for what it's worth. And just do a search on the channel if you'd like to find out more information regarding Glic. Now, just to let you know that it seems now that we can confirm that the new Glic feature is actually Gemini for Chrome, because the little bird icon in the top right has finally been replaced with the Gemini logo. And if you hover your mouse over that, it says try Gemini. So the tooltip reads try Gemini. And if we just head to an image where I've blown this up, there we go. If you hover over it, there's the Gemini icon, the bird icon has been removed, and the tooltip reads as try Gemini. So I think now this is confirmation that Glic is going to be Gemini for the Google Chrome web browser. So Google injecting a lot more AI into the actual browser. Now, as I've mentioned previously, the Gemini button currently opens this dialog and menu, which currently does nothing. Okay, but this is going to be the first run experience dialog, basically when you click on the feature to obviously activate the feature and so on. And as mentioned, as you can see, nothing is happening. And as I mentioned in the previous video, if we head into the settings, the Glic entry here to the left hand of the settings in the main menu had been removed, and there was no option to place the Glic icon in the system tray, where previously there was an option to enable it in the system tray. But apparently now, according to reports doing the rounds online, both the widget, which I have posted on previously, and I'll leave that video also linked down below in the end screen, because in previous videos we looked at a widget that would appear on your desktop. So both the widget and the system tray button only appear after you've read, when this becomes obviously live, after you've read and accepted the terms and conditions in this menu, this first run experience. Then only will that system tray icon and the widget appear in the top right, which you can obviously use on your desktop. So Glic is still alive and well. It is still a thing. And just wanted to put it out there if this is a feature you are following. And it does seem, like it or hate it, that AI is becoming part and parcel of the Google Chrome web browser, because if we head back to settings, we have our AI innovations, which has also rolled out to the stable version. But in stable, we only get history search powered by AI, where in the Canary version, we've got a couple of other extra AI features. But nonetheless, keeping my ear to the ground with this one, and when the information becomes available, I'll try and keep you posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.